Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a question that's asking us for apparent slip. It's good to know what this is and how we apply it. Slip is the difference between the theoretical and the actual movement of a ship's propeller through the water, or what we expect with our speeds and then what we actually observe. So this is basically asking us about the efficiency. So we can find this problem out. We can solve this problem by using these two equations. Engine speed equals RPM times 60 times pitch divided by 6,080. And our apparent slip, which is what we're looking for, is the engine speed minus the observed speed divided by the engine speed. So we can start by reading the problem and seeing what's given. The propeller on a vessel has a diameter of 21.5 feet and a pitch of 24.5 feet. What would be the apparent slip if the vessel cruised 458 miles in a 23-hour day? Observed distance at an average RPM of 78. So we can see what's given. We have our RPM 78. We have our pitch 24.5 feet. And we have our observed distance. Of 458 miles in 23 hours. 458 miles, 23 hours. So this is what's given, and we can start applying these to our equation. So there's only two variables that we need to solve for engine speed, and it's RPM and pitch, which are given. So we'll go ahead and solve for that. So engine speed equals RPM 78 times 60 times pitch 24.5 over 60/80. Put that on my calculator. $78 times 60 times 24.5 divided by 60/80. So this is our engine speed, 18.85. We'll round that up, so 18.86. So engine speed equals 18.86. Now we can solve for our observed speed, which is pretty simple. It's just the amount of nautical miles you've gone in a 24-hour period. Here in the problem it says 23-hour day, so we can do 458 divided by 23 hours equals 19.91. So our observed distance, or excuse me, our observed speed equals 19.91. Now we have everything we need to go ahead into the second formula and solve for apparent slip. So let's see, apparent slip equals your engine speed, which we just solved for, 18.86, minus our observed speed, 19.91, divided by our engine speed, 18.86. So we'll go ahead and do that on the calculator. 18.86 minus 19.91 divided by 18.86. So that gives us 0.0556. So our apparent slip equals negative 0.0556. To turn this into a percent, we'll move the decimal 2 places to the right, or we can multiply this by 100. 100, so times 100 equals negative 5.56. So this would be our answer as a percent. We look negative 5.5 or negative 5.6 percent is our answer. That's what we calculated it out to be. Negative 5.6, the answer is C, and that's correct.